One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it. Let's talk about Lyft, and they're getting rid of third-party navigation apps. So Google Maps, Waze, and it's unfortunate. I use Waze. I like Waze because
I use Google Maps.
Well, I like Waze because it gives you that real-time data, especially when cops are up ahead.
No,
so
this actually, I don't know if he's here. It came from Vinny. Vinny Cuz in Florida texted me. Did you see this? I'm like, I don't know. And then I go, let me check on my app. This is my app. And I went to my app, and sure enough, Google
same thing on mine too.
Yeah, they got rid of you too?
Yep.
Ah, fuck. Well, you know, I mean, we could take this any way we want, Chris. You know, but I mean, look, we can still pick up, you know, we can still put the address manually in Google Maps if you want to use it. I mean, but it's just too much work. What's the point, right? And I'm pretty sure they're doing it because they probably were paying a shit ton of money. I mean, Uber did this a while ago, although Uber still allows you to switch to Google Maps. Lyft completely took it away. Whereas, like, you can't, unless outside the app, you know, you have to go manually put the address. And that's bullshit. It's unsafe. Anyway, I'm sure they were paying a shit ton of money to Waze and Google Maps. So they go on the cut costs. I used their navigation before. I mean, you know what? This is going to facilitate some more that they were already doing. You know, the time and distance shaving, right? Now it's theirs. It's like, okay, here, this is what you have. I'm like, yeah, no, that's bullshit. Now I have to double check you, you know, with my Google Maps or Waze, re-entering addresses and stuff. Like, I don't even know. But I don't know. You know, a lot of people got turned off saying that, what kind of independent contractor am I? You're taking one of my tools away. Well, I don't know what to agree with this on this one. Is it, I mean, I don't think, okay, don't torture me here, people. I don't think both companies, Uber's is better than Lyft's for sure. In-app nav, I don't think it's that bad, personally speaking. Okay.
No, it's not.
Honestly,
it's not that bad.
Especially Uber. Uber's is so
I
good
like
now.
Waze a little bit better just because, like I say, you get that real-time info. So if there's potholes or, you know, cars stopped on the side of the road or accidents or anything like that, you can get the better route navigation, in my opinion.
There you go. Yep, that's what I'm thinking, Lelius. I exactly was thinking about that. Yeah. Oh, see, Boston, I still have the option for Waze and Google Maps. See, this is another thing. Willy-nilly. Some people have it, some people don't have it, some people don't have it.
Don't update your apps then.
Yeah. Okay, that's a good idea.
I bet that's where it came in. The app. When you update that app.
Yeah, but well, I had a push today, update today. But this happened the same day it happened in Florida. So they got rid of, you must use in-app nav. So
yeah, there was a update yesterday, and that's when I started noticing it was yesterday too. So
it's not that big of a deal. Honestly, I don't think this is, compared to what's going on other areas with the shavings and with fare replacement, upfront fares, all that shit. I don't think this is that bad.
Waze ride in the background. So even though you can't see it, you can still have it. So if like there's a cop up ahead a half a mile, it'll still say, police reported ahead. And then, you know, it's a half mile.
Yeah.
And same thing for, you know, pothole or animal in the road or whatever it might be. So you just have it playing in the background. All good.
See, this guy's in LA. Really? They took yours 6 months ago? Wow. They just took it from me. See what who knows? Nobody knows the rhyme.
Not available in Phoenix now.
Yeah. I mean, I initial days of Lyft, I liked it because like you would select Google, and then as soon as you accept the trip, it would kick into Google Maps, right? And then when you start the trip, it would be there. It's okay. But now, honestly, man, I don't think this is that big of a deal. Seriously, this is not like compared to getting rid of Lux. Okay, huge killer. I mean, this to me, I don't know, not that big of a deal.
Yeah, I don't know. Like I say, it's unfortunate because I do like the Waze app, but That's the kind of workaround. You can have it still in the background, so at least you can still hear the notifications. You just got to have it on. All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.